The Clean Futures project is aimed at trying to accelerate the development of clean technologies from companies based in the West Midlands. These companies applied to receive a grant of £50,000 to help them accelerate their development plans. And they benefit, in addition to the £50,000, to the access to the facilities at Coventry University and BCIMO. We have seen great results in terms of financial benefits for the companies. Some of them went from pre-revenue to now having a revenue. Some of them have been able to attract seven-figure funds from investors into their business. Today is very exciting. Everything comes together. So we have the 13 SMEs here. They all have their technologies here. And it's great to actually see the result of the work that we've done in the first 6 months of this project with the first cohort. It's also exciting to see the cross-pollination of the local companies that are all working on complementary technologies that could come together to really make a difference in our region.
We are Seahorse Amphibious Manufacturing, and we manufacture amphibious passenger vehicles. So what that is essentially it's a bus and a boat at the same time, carries 40 passengers, and it's for the tourism industry. So we normally do a half-an-hour tour on the road and then a half-an-hour tour on the water. That's the basic concept, and we've been manufacturing these vehicles for the last 8 years. We're now developing an electric vehicle. In this particular project, we've been using second life components. So things like crashed electric vehicles, we've been taking the batteries and we've been trying to get them to communicate with our own systems as well. We heard about Clean Futures about 8 months ago. We heard this was the first time this grant was launching and we were really interested by it. And then we got involved, we were awarded the grant. It's been fantastic, in truth. It's given us credibility in the market, which has allowed us to sell these electric amphibious vehicles. So at the start of the project, we had no sales. By the end of the project, we have sales for 5 electric vehicles.